Akalain mo may ikakasa pala yung 375 pesos sa TGI Fridays? Ilang linggo ko nang nakikita sa feed ko to. Ang dami-daming nagpo-post about it, and this time we're going to try it for ourselves. We are trying out their SM City Clark branch, open daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. I love their complimentary and refillable na chips and salsa because that salsa is everything. At sa kanilang 375 promo, you get to choose one appetizer, one entree, at may kasamang iced tea. We have 6 choices sa appetizers, and my favorite has got to be the fried mac and cheese. Apart from that, meron ding buffalo bites with ranch, merong dalawang klase ng vegetable salad, and then there's onion rings, at yung pang-anim na option is truffle potato crisp. Ikaw ba, anong appetizer ang pipiliin mo sa mga yan? After that, dito naman tayo sa mga entrees. Meron tayong 5 pagpipilian, at yung una ay yung tomato arugula pasta. This is very simple but tasty. Ito naman yung mushroom and chicken with rice, and I really love those crispy fried chicken and shiitake mushrooms. Up next is the crispy smoked fish. Meron niyang kasamang egg, vegetables, and vinegar. There's also Filipino-style grilled liempo. At yung pinakahuli naman, which is my favorite out of the 5, is the 6-spice chicken. So kita nyo naman, more than sulit yung 375 mo. Apart from that, nag-side order din kami ng dessert. This is like a mango graham ice cream, topped with ripe mangoes, caramel fudge, and nuts. Ito naman is a huge slice of brownie with salted caramel ice cream, topped with choco fudge, caramel fudge, and nuts. So kung gusto nyo ring mag-eat out nang hindi nababali yung budget, itry nyo na rin itong all day, all yours promo ng TGI Fridays.